Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. Today I'm working with this Pantone pearl strand called High Visibility. This yellow is truly a ray of sunshine, and so this Sunshine Toggle Clasp is perfect, and we're going to use it in an unexpected way. First, I'm going to separate out my beads, so my pearls from my crystals from my metal, so that I can pull from each little container here to put my design together. I'm going to take some 19 strand beading wire and I'm going to string on some of the smaller beads towards the center of my necklace. Because of the unusual way I'm going to use that sun from my toggle, I don't want any of the beads to conflict with the way that that toggle piece will hang. So stringing on the metal, the crystals, the pearls, and then I'm going to grab that sun. And the way that the hole is oriented on that toggle, it's perfect for a pendant. So I'm going to string that on, and then I'm going to string on the same pattern on the other side of the sun. Then I'm going to grab two more of those suns because, well, they just need to go on this necklace. So I'm going to string those on, and then I'm going to add some additional beads. And I'm just going to create a really lovely pattern with some of the larger beads at the top of the necklace. So you'll see how the pattern is here. I'm going to use some bead stoppers for the next section so that I don't have beads flying everywhere. I'm going to grab some 24 gauge wire and one of the largest pearls, and I'm going to wire wrap that pearl right on. And then I'm going to attach it to the bottom of my little sun charm at the bottom, the focal part of my necklace. I love how that little additional pearl adds such a nice accent to this piece. I absolutely love these suns as charms for this necklace or pendants for this necklace. So much fun. And once I've got my little focal section on, I'm going to then take some Jesse James Beads paperclip chain, and I'm going to add that to my beading wire. So using a crimp tube, I'm just going to push my beading wire through, add my chain, and then crimp. And my beading wire is gold, and so are my crimp tubes, so everything blends together really nicely. I'm going to add my chain to both sides of my necklace. And you could make it long enough to be an overhead necklace, or you can do what I did and cut the chain to the desired length and add a lobster claw to one end. So with a little counting of the links, I made sure I had the same number of links on both sides. I cut the chain, and then I add my lobster claw with a tiny jump ring. Now you don't need to add a jump ring to the other side because you can make this necklace sizable by just hooking that lobster claw wherever you need it. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can find everything to make this piece at jessejamesbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching.